all day.
Why?
Because Johnny has some girlfriend.
Who's that Johnny kasi you're talking about? Who's Johnny?
Lee Min Ho.
You see the picture? She's with the other woman. What is the tears you're crying?
Yes.
Why?
Johnny has some girlfriend.
Oh, Johnny also loves you.
Johnny don't like me.
Huh?
Mommy, Johnny don't like me.
No, Johnny said he likes you so much. Oh. Oh, say something to Johnny. Stop crying, little one.
Johnny has a girlfriend, and then Johnny don't like me, and then I'm gonna cry, and then Johnny don't like me. When Johnny has some girlfriend, I will not go with him. I will just cry.
Oh, you're crying for him, my God. Who's Johnny?
Lee Min Ho.
Oh, where he lives?
I don't know, Mommy.
Ko in where? Ko?
Korea, Mommy.
Oh. Johnny loves you.
When Johnny don't like me, Johnny will not give me some present because I'm so naughty, but I'm not naughty.
Okay, Johnny loves you so much, okay?
Okay.
Well, what will you say to Johnny?
Sorry, Johnny.
You will not be naughty anymore.
Yes.
Why stop crying, huh?
Yes, Mommy.